Hello, my friend. Welcome back. I'm really happy you're here today. Take a deep breath. Relax. Get comfortable. This is your English time. You don't need to hurry. You don't need to be perfect. Just listen, speak with me, and enjoy English. Today's lesson is about the extraordinary rise of Tesla and Elon Musk, innovation, risk, and the future of technology. In the early 21st century, few names have become as synonymous with innovation and disruption as Elon Musk. Known for his bold ideas and relentless ambition, Musk has reshaped industries ranging from electric vehicles to space exploration. At the heart of this transformation stands Tesla Incorporated, a company that not only challenged the automotive industry, but also accelerated the global shift towards sustainable energy. Tesla's success story is not just about cars. It is about vision, resilience, and the willingness to take enormous risks. This article explores how Tesla and Elon Musk rose to global prominence, the challenges they faced, and the lasting impact they have on technology and society. The early life of Elon Musk. Elon Musk was born in 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. From a young age, he showed an unusual curiosity about technology and science. By the age of 12, he had already created and sold a video game, demonstrating early signs of entrepreneurial talent. Musk later moved to Canada and then to the United States, where he pursued studies in physics and economics. His journey into entrepreneurship began with small startups, but his ambitions were never small. He envisioned a future shaped by clean energy, interplanetary travel, and advanced technology. The birth of Tesla. Tesla was founded in 2003 by engineers Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. But it was Elon Musk's investment and leadership that transformed it into a global powerhouse. Musk joined Tesla in its early stages and became deeply involved in product development and strategic direction. The company's first major product, the Tesla Roadster, was introduced in 2008. It proved that electric cars could be fast, stylish, and practical. At a time when electric vehicles were often dismissed as inefficient, Tesla changed public perception entirely. Challenges and near collapse. Tesla's journey was far from smooth. During the 2008 financial crisis, the company faced severe financial difficulties. Production delays, high costs, and skepticism from investors pushed Tesla to the brink of bankruptcy. Elon Musk personally invested much of his own money to keep the company alive. At one point, Tesla was just weeks away from collapse. However, a last-minute investment round and strategic partnerships allowed the company to survive. This period became a defining moment, proving Musk's determination and belief in Tesla's mission. Breakthrough with Model S. The release of the Tesla Model S in 2012 marked a turning point. The car received widespread acclaim for its performance, design, and advanced technology. It combined luxury with sustainability, attracting a broader audience. The Model S demonstrated that electric vehicles could compete with, and even surpass, traditional gasoline cars. It won numerous awards and became a symbol of Tesla's innovation. Expansion and innovation. Following the success of the Model S, Tesla expanded rapidly. The company introduced new models such as the Model X, Model 3, and Model Y, targeting different segments of the market. Tesla also invested heavily in battery technology and built massive gigafactories to scale production. Beyond cars, the company entered the energy sector with solar panels and energy storage solutions. This expansion positioned Tesla not just as a car manufacturer, but as a leader in sustainable energy. Elon Musk's leadership style. Elon Musk is known for his unconventional leadership style. He is deeply involved in engineering decisions and often sets extremely ambitious goals for his teams. While some admire his vision and determination, others criticize his demanding expectations and controversial statements. Nevertheless, his leadership has been a driving force behind Tesla's success. Musk's ability to inspire innovation while pushing boundaries has made him one of the most influential figures in modern technology. Impact on the automotive industry. Tesla's success forced the entire automotive industry to rethink its future. Major car manufacturers began investing heavily in electric vehicles, accelerating the transition away from fossil fuels. The company also revolutionized how cars are sold and updated, introducing direct sales and over-the-air software updates. These innovations changed customer expectations and industry standards. Today, electric vehicles are no longer a niche market. They are the future. Tesla and the future of technology. Tesla continues to push technological boundaries with advancements in artificial intelligence and autonomous driving. The company's autopilot and full self-driving systems aim to redefine transportation. In addition, Tesla is exploring robotics and energy solutions that could reshape everyday life. Musk's vision extends beyond Earth, linking Tesla's mission with his other ventures like space exploration. Criticism and controversy. Despite its success, Tesla and Elon Musk have faced criticism. Issues such as production delays, workplace concerns, and Musk's social media behavior have sparked debate. Critics argue that Musk's bold promises sometimes exceed reality, while supporters believe his ambition drives progress. These controversies highlight the complexity of leading a company at the forefront of innovation. Conclusion: a legacy in the making. The story of Tesla and Elon Musk is one of vision, risk, and transformation. From near bankruptcy to global leadership, Tesla has redefined industries and inspired a new generation of innovators. Elon Musk remains a polarizing yet undeniably influential figure. His work continues to shape the future of transportation, energy, and technology. As the world moves towards sustainability and advanced technology, Tesla's journey serves as a powerful reminder. Bold ideas, when pursued with determination, can change the world. And that's all for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed learning English with me today. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about making progress. One conversation, one new word, one small step at a time. So don't worry if you didn't understand everything today. Just keep listening, keep practicing, and trust the process. You're improving every single day. If you enjoyed today's episode, please do not forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to create more free English lessons for learners around the world. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today.